Hey, hello, how's it, guys? Okay, this is me. I'm coming from the shop, and today is my day to do my washing. I'm coming from a spaza shop to buy a Mac and a Sunlight. Yeah, some of you will ask, that's why I don't have a washing machine. No, I don't have a washing machine by choice. I don't want it. And some will ask, that's why you're doing your washing by yourself. You don't have a girlfriend. No, I do have a girlfriend, it's just that I want to wash by my own, and I'm happy when I'm washing my own clothes. I don't want someone to wash my clothes, I want it to wash by myself. It's better to do your own washing, not asking someone or your sister or your little brother or someone, because if you asking for someone at least, or maybe it's your girlfriend, girlfriend, there will be consequences if you ask someone to do your clothes washing, because you will ask Palisa or Sembile or Asanda or Pinky or Mbali or Snee. Everyone will have many consequences after they wash your clothes. Therefore, you must wash your clothes. If you are a man, you are a man. You will understand. Thank you. Great.
I took this photograph, I will fade away when the sun goes down. You're not alone, cause I'll be holding on.
I was 22 when they killed my younger sister. Still I can't believe the low blister. They let a nigga out and give my mama hicks up. I was drowning in the vodka, I couldn't see the teacup. Police dialing the rhythm of a statesman, losing the map in the middle of the basement. Tears from conscious of my lateness. Parents hope perish to be the greatest. Still I see a smile on a great wall. Hundreds after 50 saw my gun plane never fall. Pray to heaven, can I pay the toll? I wanted the justice before the coffin roll. My heart is fungible, I don't give a fuck about love. I remain on fairyland, on real life I die. I dare 45 the I see